Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. The question says that in a photoelectric experiment, increasing the intensity of incident light, the options are increases the number of photons incident and also increase the kinetic energy of ejected electrons, increases the number of photons incident and the kinetic energy of the ejected electrons remains unchanged, increases the frequency of photons incident and increases the kinetic energy of ejected electrons, increases the frequency of photons incident and the kinetic energy of the ejected electrons remains unchanged. So we'll solve this question. First of all, we'll see what will be the key concept used to solve this question. The key concept that will be used to solve this question will be, according to photoelectric effect, when a when a photon strikes a metal surface, when a photon strikes the metal surface, it ejects electrons. It ejects electrons. This is as per Einstein's theory of photoelectric effect. So, and also the number of photons incident on surface, the number of photons incident on surface increases when the intensity is increased, when the intensity of light is increased, when the intensity of light is increased, and as the number of photons incident on the metal surface increases, so what happens? The number of electrons ejected, the number of electrons ejected increases, and this increase in number of electrons ejected increase the photoelectric current. Photoelectric current. But the kinetic energy does not depend on the intensity of light. Kinetic energy, which is half m v naught square, where v naught is the maximum velocity, is given by E into Vs, where Vs is the stopping potential, and kinetic energy does not depend on the intensity of incident light. And according to photoelectric equation, we have energy incident is equal to work function of metal plus kinetic energy. So work function of metal is fixed for a given metal. So if we increase the energy incident, that is energy incident is HF, where F is the frequency of light incident, is equal to 5 plus K. So if we increase the frequency of the light incident, then kinetic energy will increase, and it does not depend on the intensity of incident light. So the correct option will be, in a photoelectric experiment, increasing the intensity of incident light increase the number of photons incident, and the kinetic energy of ejected electron remains unchanged, which is option B. So the correct option will option B. Hope you all understood it well. Best of luck.